Bye.
I am so excited to talk to you guys. Hi guys, let's do a little unboxing. No, 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 show like that. That's fine.
So I've been wanting to get
A face wrap for the longest time. My current one, I've had it for years, and it is not this stainless steel type, so it's not in the best shape. And also, I have some rodents in this house, and I can't help but think that they will be playing around with my plate. The thought of it. So I just wondered, could there be a plate rack that has covers? So I went online and I searched, and really, I saw one. I saw it on Jumia. Although I was confused as to how big would it be in real life. And I think I don't know if there's a way to add pictorial reviews on Jumia. That would be very helpful, because on AliExpress, for instance, I mean, you can always check reviews. You see pictures that people have dropped there, and to help you to make your decision to buy or not to buy. So when I take the picture of this one, I would try and upload it on Jumia just in case, so that it can help someone. Because I really had to go the extra mile to go search for something similar and know what it looked like in real life, and to know whether it will serve me. So yeah, this is the plate rack that I got. I am so excited to do this unboxing, you guys. Even though this pally looks very old. Wait, thumbnail. I'm taking my taking the picture. So I just got done installing it with the help of my husband, of course. It was kind of difficult to install because some of the things just felt like they don't fit. Well, we managed to put it together, sharp, but it is way smaller than what I need. Like the normal plates cannot stand up, you guys. At first glance, I just felt like I would return it, but then again, Nigeria buying and selling and returns and all of that, I feel like it's going to stress me out. So I think I'll just manage it like this. Just that it can't take so many plates, but at least some of my plates will be protected. Then I'll have my bowls here, and they will be covered and protected. That's the main goal. So you guys, in case you want to purchase, this is what you should be mindful of. It is not big enough. Like, it is not very big at all. It's not big.
You